Hi, I'm Marna and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel and I have Happy Mail. I would say that Happy Mail is like a hug in a box. I really believe that. It's the nicest thing. If you don't know what Happy Mail is, it's a little any size package that one YouTuber sends to another and they open on their channel. It is so fun. This one is from Tapping Flamingo, Terry. It's Tapping Flamingo, aka Bohemian Hippie. She does mostly making jewelry on her channel. One cool thing that Terry does that I've not seen anywhere else are zipper pulls for Blythe. Rather than putting beads on the string, I was looking for a Blythe here. I don't want to pull that one out right now. She's got something on. The pull strings on the Blythe, most people add beads to it. Terry makes these little zipper pulls for Blythe that you put a little knot in your string and then you hang the beads from. And you can change them to match your Blythe's outfit or season or however you want to do it. So let's see what Terry sent to me. Here is a card. Marna, I hope you like this necklace and earring set I made. Thanks for being one of my dolly friends, Terry. How nice is that? I like the way she did that. And then she sent one of her cards right there. I think she sells on Etsy. I probably watched her make this. I watch her videos every time she prints one. Or print or whatever. Oh wow, this is gorgeous. When I said she makes jewelry, I don't mean she's like professional, just gorgeous. Absolutely, wow. These earrings are, I really like the earrings, but I love this, make no mistake, but those earrings, you could wear that with, those really jazz up some jeans, I'll tell you for a fact. Thank you, Terry. I really, really appreciate it. Go by and look at Terry's channel. We'll leave a link in the description below. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.